Is it? Yeah, okay. Yo, what's up, guys? Welcome to a new video, and today we are going to be ranking EAS alarms around the world. Okay, without further ado, let's start. Well, with that, obviously, I have to do it. This sounds familiar. Okay, that's enough with the beeping. That's enough with the beeping. Ugh! I don't like this. I don't like it. It's so annoying. It's so loud. That's not that bad. How do we go from something like that? Like, hold on. How do we go from something like this to this? Honestly, this sounds like yeah, I don't know where to put it. That's how bad it is. But I can just imagine you're sleeping, you randomly wake up and to hear this. You look outside and then no one. It's just you in the neighborhood, and you hear this only. It would be horrifying. Okay, this one's not bad. I mean, it sounds like you're in a lab. Sounds like if you're in a lab, something went wrong or like that for fire alarm. I don't know. I've never heard of fire alarm, but yeah. Okay, no, that's scary. That's creepy. Remember earlier the Japan one? Imagine waking up to this and no one is in your neighborhood. You are dead. Like, listen to this thing. No. That is horrifying. Beyond horrifying, actually. Sounds like it's from a zombie apocalypse. Nah, this just sounds like a fire truck. This is not scary. Just a fire truck. Okay, we get it. Okay, next one. Hold on, we need to go back. Okay. That's it? Imagine, like a bomb is gonna be dropping in like soon, and all you hear is beep, and that's it. Only one. If there was a bomb falling on my country, you would want it to be loud. Okay, that is good. It's not that scary. But it's good, But who are those kids in the background? This is actually pretty creepy. I don't know why, but this is pretty creepy. Okay, let's see. I hear that. It's loud in my ear.
Choose your language and start learning now for free.
Thank you. I needed this. Thank you,
Download
Duolingo.
the world's #1 language
Duolingo,
learning app.
Duolingo. You are the best.
Can't believe I just discovered this. Find factory direct
Okay,
prices on
that's enough.
Alibaba.com.
I don't want
Download now and kickstart your business.
Okay. I don't care. I don't know why there's something wrong. Okay. It's not that bad. So this is creepy. I do not like this. This is very creepy. I do not like this one bit. Wow. This is some. Hey, actually, this is a fire beat.
Allerta sísmica. Alerta sísmica.
Why does it sound like this? Someone
Alerta
can.
sísmica. Alerta sísmica.
Are you done? Someone can turn this into a song. Sounds like something went wrong on my TV. Sounds like a broken TV. We want EAS alarms, not a train horn. Come on, Norway. Again with the train horns. Finland, do make me proud. Honestly, Finland, I actually like the beat, but it sounds like it's Morse code. Come on. Not everyone is gonna know Morse code. Come on, Finland. Oh wait, if this is Finland, wait a minute. No, that's the train horn, Sweden. Where was what? Yeah, Finland. Come on, Finland. You're better than this. Sounds like it's a broken fire truck. A broken fire truck.
四、三、二、一。
Uh-huh. Ooh. Ah! I mean, I like the countdown. Sounds like an ambulance. Not scary. Okay, this is creepy. This is very creepy. Come on, Brazil. Oh, this is very creepy. I don't like it. I don't like it. This is creepy as hell. Russia? Hold on, just listen to this. This is not creepy at all. Come on, Russia. Oh, wait. Okay, it actually sounds very weird. Okay, this is a bit creepy. Not the best. Yeah, no, this is creepy. This is creepy. This is very, very creepy. That's enough. Okay. Okay, that's enough. Thank you. I said thank you. Okay, this is... I don't know. The last one is actually creepy, now that I think about it. This one is creepy. Anything else? Okay, yeah, this is creepy already. This is so creepy. I don't like this. And the sun is also just staring at me. The sun on the flag is just staring at me right now. Okay, it's over. This sounds like it's a car from a game accelerating. The drums in the background, if you listen close. Okay, never mind. Didn't you hear this one already? Yeah, this one we heard already. It's not scary. Okay. Anything else, Ukraine? Okay. Why is this one actually pretty creepy? You know, this one is scary, actually. No joke, I actually have goosebumps. Hold on. We have to stop. What is this country? I've never heard of it. Ever. Lithuania. Have you guys heard this country? Because I've never heard of this country. Is the mic on actually? Check. Yeah, it's on. Hello? Okay, good. Continue. Lithuania, country I never heard of. Has a one of the most creepiest alarms ever. Okay. I don't like this one. Skip. That is so loud in my ears. Ugh. Okay, moving on. There you go. This is not scary. Not creepy. Okay, this is also not creepy. This is nothing. Come on. Okay, and we are done. Thank you for watching. And as always, what do I say in the other videos? I forgot. Okay, well, peace.